Hello, this is Reggie, and today I will be showing you a new improvement I made to the door library table Excel, which is used to record door detail information from jobs. First, I'd like to show you how the old table looked using UCSF Block 34 as an example. As you can see, we have the door unit nomenclature above to help us identify the different types of doors on the job. We have different columns below for different pieces of important information that's needed to set up these doors, ranging from the door type to the door number to the door jamb detail reference to what details to use for the header and sill, to the families for the verticals, and to whether or not there's already data set up for these families. Over on the right, we have snippets of the doors that we get from the architectural sets during our door reviews. This chart covers a good amount of information that is needed for the takeoff group to set up these doors. However, the information looks too spread out, and it can definitely be more fine-tuned to be clear, not just for the takeoff group, but for drafters as well when they are modeling. So I made an improved version of the door library table Excel. I'm going to be using St. Francis High School as an example. Here you can see I organized the information to be more cohesive and easier to identify. Starting up here, I included the when this whole file was created, as well as what architectural set was used. Here, for every chart, I place the snippet of the door now above all the important information that I mentioned before in the old Excel. It's no longer just off all the way to the right, so we have to move to the right just to see just a picture of the door. Now it's all in a designated spot. Since we will now be printing this and adding these to our profile review PDFs, I wanted to make the information for each door easier to identify for when drafters need to refer to this table while modeling. I put the nomenclature on its own tab because it's really just for our initial setup, and the drafters, they don't really need that information. Yeah, that's pretty much the end of my explanation for this improvement. It was definitely easier to input information on this improved table than the old one. Thanks for watching.